Okay, I finished mixing it. It's got a brown sort of take and look, but that doesn't bother me. I'm used to that. I'm like, oh, it looks green. That's wonderful. All right, let's see. I may need to put the cashews in because I didn't have a banana. Actually, I'm gonna need to put that in there. No banana. So this will be my little energy boost. Great nutrients. Honestly, to me it doesn't have like a weird like it's bland and it probably and I can taste. Kingston, what do you want? You guys have it's not time for food. You already ate this morning. Papa. Kingston and Marley driving Ollie on Rodeo Drive, saying hi to everyone they know. They really like to show how much they're on the go. Mm. Actually, it's not bad. Like, I could drink it just like this. I can see people wanting maybe to add maybe a little bit of agave just for a little sweetener. But I mean, a little cinnamon I could see, a little nutmeg. If you were trying to go more for, yeah, it's at a good bland taste that if you wanted to spice it up or I mean doctor it up like with more of a nutmeggy sort of feel, um, like you just had porridge or something. I bet you this would taste good with some oatmeal. Hmm.